Hello, everybody. My name is Eric Mitchell. Here's my website designed. It is for the Teltec. The company's Teltec. The product is Telcom. And this is welcome to the newest innovation in real-time recording technology. So this is for the Telcom. The Telcom here is shown in this pic, and it just explains a little bit about it. Learn more about the Telcom. It can be a PDF you add in, so I did some of that. But I worked on a quick start guide and a fact page. I started with the fact page, a couple of quick easy facts here, and then I added a more fact page PDF right here. I kept the same template for my more fact PDF as well as with my quick start guide. That way they looked real well and they flowed real smooth. So for the quick start guide, here's what it's going to look like. It's right here. It's got some basic information on how to charge, transfer files, set up the Telcom, and how to format, as well as some tips on voice activation and where to refer to the user manual for more formatting info. So that is the product, and I designed that quick start guide and my fact page, and even added in here. I tried to make a user guide, but it didn't work, so I left it as a contact page. And as far as the PDF design, I just got a few different ideas from basically Word Quick Start here for sourcing and formatting and how to do stuff like that with a Word program, basically a software program, and got an idea of what should be involved there. And then I looked up Dr. Dre Beats for a quick start guide on Dr. Dre Beats, that is, just because it's kind of like an earpiece, and it shows you how to charge it and just the basics they have. So I kind of kept that in pretty basic here. Didn't do too much more than what was needed on that end, because I was like the way it was coming out. Now, for the PDF, how to add it into my website, I went to this little document here on thought.com, and here it shows you what you would need, where you have to put your information. This here is going to be the PDF you add in where you want it, and then I added what file right here, so it would be like quick start guide or fact guide, and then it would reference it. And what I did there was I added my quick start guide here, my fact sheet here, and so that was linked here. I didn't put on any folders because it wasn't working out too swell, so it's pretty basic, and I think it worked real well. So that's how I added in my PDF. I tried to add a picture into my website here. I thought up top maybe something with the project or the product, but it didn't work out real well. This is my alpha page. Here's my beta page that I worked on and that I made changes to before I made it to my final page. And this was what was happening. If I tried to add it up here, it was squishing all my text down into just other areas, and it threw everything all off, and it really did not look aesthetically pleasing, did not work too well, didn't flow smoothly with it. So I decided to keep that out. As far as the product, I created this on Paint, so I used Paint and Word for my main tools there. Paint was to create that, and Word was to edit, crop, shrink down any kind of images, add in processes like for these, and make it look a little bit more professional. I worked with some of the colors just so it's easier on the eyes and this stands out a little bit more. And I added the Teltec website to contact, and on my facts page I have 800 numbers and just different ways to contact us about the product. So I think it worked real well. Came out real nice, real smooth, and everything interacts real well. My source pages link up with my destination pages and back and forth, so I think that's pretty nice. And overall, I had fun with this project. So I think this is going to be the final project because I didn't want to add any other pictures in. I don't want to do that if it's going to make that problems. Plus, it messes up the kind of the golden ratio I read about in our document, where it just keeps it flows real nice, easy on the eyes. The golden ratio where everything's kind of perfect, and that's where I feel this would be disrupted if I added any extra pictures. It would throw off the design, throw off the process, either squish things down or interrupt. So I decided to keep all that off and keep it pretty basic to the point. So that is what I went through for this website. I think it came out real well with the research and the writing and some of the content I put in. I had to do some editing and just some extra formatting, but I think overall in all, it came out real well. So This is my product and my project that I created. Thank you.